Individual voluntary arrangements do exactly what they say on the tin. They're for individuals who voluntarily want to make an arrangement with their creditors. There are certain advantages with an IVA. In an IVA, you're legally protected. Once you're in an IVA, none of your unsecured creditors can do anything against you. As long as you make those payments to the insolvency practitioner, you are protected. Now, those payments can go up and down depending on your circumstances, and if you have an asset, then that could be taken into consideration. There are certain criteria you have to adhere to in IVAs. They generally last 5 years. Generally, you've got to have a minimum of £15,000 worth of debt, and generally you've got to be able to afford a minimum of £200 a month. Now, obviously all of this can change dependent on your circumstances. An individual voluntary arrangement is run by an individual called an insolvency practitioner. An insolvency practitioner has got the authority to legally run your individual voluntary arrangement. Generally, an insolvency practitioner is a solicitor or an accountant that is qualified to be an insolvency practitioner. At H.E.L.P, we refer people to insolvency practitioners, but not until we've got your individual circumstances, so we can decide who is the best insolvency practitioner for you. When you're in a voluntary arrangement, it is still difficult to get credit. You are allowed to get a certain amount of credit via the insolvency practitioner. Some companies will allow you to have credit where others won't, but it will be on your credit file as much as bankruptcy and debt management will be on your credit file. The advantage of an individual voluntary arrangement is that it does bring a definite end to debt. So no matter how much you owe, it will be written off after the agreed timescale. The usual agreed timescale is 5 years. This can be less, but it could actually be more. At H.E.L.P, we are here to help. That is why we're called H.E.L.P. Please give us a call and one of our team will let you know what options you've got available.